Hi there. So I just discovered 16,000 woodworking plans inside this website, and I suggest you see this immediately. I mean, there are over 16,000 woodworking plans that come with step-by-step instructions and detailed photos. And the cool thing is, many people have been quietly using this software for the past 2 months to build their outdoor woodworking projects. And here's why it's so cool. First off, you have over 16,000 woodworking plans with CAD and DWG software to view and edit plans. You have step-by-step instructions with photos. You have high-quality blueprints and schematics. And there's also a lifetime members area with woodworking videos. I mean, it doesn't get any better. You're going to love it. So go ahead and check it out at the link below.